Actually, they're all high vibrational oils.
What's in that?
There's
Can we smell that, John?
rosemary, there's some white sage, sandalwood, lang lang, not lang lang.
Ooh,
Myrrh, frankincense, stuff like that. They're all high vibrational.
And you
Why do you say
always
deal with them?
use the essential oils with MPS?
Jesus oil.
Oh, wow.
Let it get in there before you.
I did the MPS cigar release class, but they never told us about the oil.
Because he teaches it separately.
John sells the MPS.
I may come to a point where it just starts to burn. If it does, let me know and just slow, deep breaths in when that happens.
I haven't either. I don't intend to. It's hard to see, John. Are you going in or are you going on
I'm
the
on
side?
either side, and just how like somebody would have stitches, I'm going about that distance apart.
So you're kind of going at an angle.
Yep, slightly in.
So, guys, how are you enjoying this real life demo? Thank you for donating your body to science, by the way. So that we can.
15 seconds.
How does it feel? It's like electricity.
But if you got a C-set,
Microcurrent.
It's a DC microcurrent.
how long ago was this?
If the point or the area that I'm treating doesn't necessarily need it, it has a higher resistance, it's not going to feel like anything. But if the point or the area has a low resistance to it, it's going to either feel kind of like a bee sting or a little bit hot.
They usually heal keloid.
I've seen well done ones.
I know, like mine is
So this is answering the question for so many of the other therapists. Guys, by the way, welcome to our MLD combination with MPS course here. Compliments of Lainey and John here in Boca Raton. But you know what? I am videoing this because there's so many other therapists across the country asking the same questions you are.
Better?
Can we get the lymph flow somehow to do this naturally? And is there
So
any
it was
other
just
device?
a C-section, they didn't remove anything or anything like that. Okay.
Yeah, is there any other device or mechanism that can break down this scar tissue or make it so that we can make the lymph drainage more viable? And that's what
Okay.
you're looking at here with Instructor John and Lainey.
Okay.
Like you can see where the bulb
Yeah.